from the Moxie Maids here, and we are on location here at Walmart doing grocery pickup and delivery for one of our clients. Grocery delivery is a new service that we are offering, especially now during the coronavirus pandemic. A lot of our customers are comfortable leaving the house, and so while we're out and about heading to their house, getting ready to clean, we can also stop by the store and pick up some essential items from the grocery store. So follow me as we go to the grocery store. Client said she wanted 4 hard avocados. Found them. We are in luck. Found some. We were able to find some Bounty. We found some angel sauce. So one of the essentials that a lot of our clients are asking about is water, and luckily we were able to find what you're looking for. Okay, time to check out. We were able to get almost everything that the customer wanted. Of course, we couldn't get everything because not everything is in stock, but we were able to get a good amount of items that the customer wanted. Okay, all done. Client was extremely happy. Her groceries has been delivered. So thanks for tagging along on the Moxie Made grocery and essentials delivery run. So if you are needing essential groceries as well as a house cleaning, give us a call. Thanks. Bye.